Hello, today I'm going to show you how to download and install RStudio on your computer. RStudio is a popular integrated development environment IDE for R used by data analysts, statisticians, and developers. Whether you're new to R or setting up a fresh environment, installing RStudio is a straightforward process. Let's get started. Step 1, install R on Windows. Open your browser and search for R download. Click the link from r-project.org. On the home page, click CRAN under the download section to access the list of mirror servers. Select a mirror near your location or the first one, then click Download R for Windows. On the next page, choose the base version and click the link to download the latest R installer. After the installer is downloaded, run it. Click Yes when asked for permission. In the setup, select Language, then click Next. Keep the default installation location and click Next. Keep default components and settings. Keep clicking Next, then click Install. Wait for installation to complete, then click Finish. You have now installed R successfully. Open RStudio. The RConsole will launch automatically. To test it, type print hello and press enter. If the message appears, R is working correctly. Step 2, install RStudio on Windows. Open your browser and search for RStudio download. Click the official link from Posit.co. On the website, click RStudio Desktop for Windows, then click Download to begin downloading. Run the downloaded file. When prompted, allow the app to make changes by clicking Yes. In the Setup Wizard, click Next to proceed. Keep all default settings, then click Install. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Finish. Open RStudio from the Start menu or desktop. When asked to choose R version, select Use System's default 64-bit version, then click OK. In the console, type print hello and press enter. It should display hello. Now you can start writing programs, analyzing data, and creating plots in RStudio. This is the perfect starting point if you are new to R. Thank you for following this tutorial. I wish you success in your learning journey, and I look forward to seeing you in the next guides.